right? This is actually previous board question from MSTE, Mathematics, Surveying, and Transportation Engineering, and of course, Engineering Mathematics. So, let's go. So, ang tanong, no? Two circles of an equal radius are concentric. 10 centimeter chord. Excuse me. Okay, 10 centimeter chord of the bigger circle is tangent to the smaller circle. What is the difference between the areas of the two circles? So, sabi dito sa first sentence, no, dalawa ang circles natin of an equal radius. So, ibig sabihin, may malaki, may maliit, no? Yan. And then the other one as well. Yan. Okay, so, yan ang ibig sabihin ng two circles of an equal radius. Oh. Next is concentric. Ano ibig sabihin ng concentric? Ang concentric class, the same ang kanilang center. Yung dalawang circle na to, pareho ang center nila. For example, gumawa tayo ng center. Ito. Right? So, yung dalawang circle, let's say yan. And then the other one, assuming circle yan, no? So, they have common what? Common center. Pareho ang center nila. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng concentric. So, ito, basically class, ito ang ibig sabihin ng first sentence. Two circles of an equal radius are concentric. So, pareho ang kanilang center. Next is, a 10 centimeter chord. Ano ibig sabihin ng chord? Ang ibig sabihin ng chord class, that is a line actually, that passes, di siya maglabay ha center sin circle. For example, no? Pwede ganito. That is a chord, no? Yan, chord. Chord yan. Kahit saan yan. As long as merong dalawang intersection sa line ng circle, that is chord. Pero pag dumaan sa center class, that is not anymore chord. That is already your diameter. Follow? This is diameter. So, a 10 centimeter chord of the bigger circle. So, ibig sabihin, ang chord natin na 10 centimeter length nasa bigger circle. Ibig sabihin, nandito ang chord natin. Diba? Can you follow? Okay. This tangent. Ano ibig sabihin ng tangent? Ang tangent class, that is still a line, pero it touches only one point. For example, ganito. That is tangent line, no? Yan. So, pwede dito. Yan, tangent line. As long as merong touching dito class between the line and the line of the circle na isang point lang, that is tangent line. Pwede rin dito. Okay, that is still tangent line. Na-follow? Okay, so yun, no? Again, a 10 centimeter chord of the bigger circle is tangent to the smaller circle. So, parang ganito siya. Pwede natin gawin ganito, no? Chord ng malaking circle, and then dapat ang chord mo nakatangent siya sa smaller circle. So, mga Bianca class. Yeah. Alright. Okay. So, merong dito intersection between the smaller circle pati yung chord. So, ang chord ng malaking circle mo ay tangent siya sa smaller circle. Ano follow? Okay, so the question is, what is the difference between the areas of the two circles? So, alam naman natin kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng difference. What is the difference between the areas of the two circles? Again, ano ba yung area ng circle, class? Area ng circle. So, dapat alam natin kung ano yung area ng circle. Okay? So, area of the circle is equals to, in terms of pi, that is pi r square. No? In terms of diameter, ang area ng circle is pi d square over 4. Diba? Sa elementary pa ito. High school, and senior high, then college, then yan. No? The area of the circle is pi r square or pi d square over 4. So, he is asking for Again, he is asking for what is the difference between the areas of the two circles. So, saan banda ba ito, class? Ang sinasabi na the difference between the areas of the two circles, ito yung area ng malaking circle. Paano ito? Okay, highlight siguro, no? Ito yung, sorry. Ito na, class, ang sinasabi niya na the difference with this one, no? Sorry. Ito na yung sinasabi niya na the difference, the area. What is the difference between the areas of the two circles? So, ito yung sinasabi na. Yan. Papunta yan dito, class. Diba? Did you follow? Yan. So, paano natin kunin yung area nito? Paano natin kunin? Yan na, class, ang sinasabi niya na the difference between the areas of the two circles. So, the difference, class, gawa natin ng working equation. We assume that AD, no? That is the difference between the areas of the two circles is equals to area of the big circle. Of course, tanggalan natin siya ng area ng small circle. So, mangyari, ito siya. This one. Right? Okay. So, ito ang gagamitin natin na working equation. Okay. So, ayusin natin ang drawing natin kasi pag ganito, class, ang chord natin, pag nandito ang chord natin, we cannot make a relationship, no? We cannot. So, para ma-solve natin ang problem, ang chord na to, pwede din naman dito ang chord, no? Pwede dito ang chord. And follow? So, lagyan natin ang chord dito. As long as it touches what? It touches a small circle, no? Radius, ano ito? Tangent to the smaller circle. Yan. So, ano ba yung, ano ang length ng chord natin? 10. Okay? So, ito, this one is the radius from the center up to this point. Diba? Yan. Yan ang radius ng bigger circle. And then, yung radius ng smaller circle, gawin natin ganito para maka-form tayo ng triangle. Okay, so, yan. Sa point na to, class, ang angle dito is 90 degrees. Okay, so since perpendicular ito, yan, nakatouches dito, class, circle yan. Ang ibig sabihin, this length, yung length na dito, di ba, this one is 10. So, since chord ito, class, tapos naka-perpendicular siya pati ito, this one, kalahati actually yan. So, meaning, ang length dito, kalahati ng 10, which is 5. Okay? So, 5, no? So, 5. Ito, 5. And then, ito, radius ng bigger circle, and radius ng smaller circle. Again, he's asking for the problem. He's asking to solve for us, no? To solve the difference between the areas of the two circles. So, ito na yung working equation natin. Can follow? Alright? So, ano class ang area ng bigger? What is the area of the bigger circle? Diba? That is pi RB, no? RB square. Yan. And then area of the smaller circle is still pi, pero yung radius na is small. Yan. Okay? Alright? Yan. So, we just substitute it. Area difference is equals to area of the big, which is pi RB square minus pi RS square. Then, factor out ang pi kasi common. ang naiwan dito class is RB square minus RS square. Okay? So, ano kaya ang RB at saka yung RS? So, kukunin natin dito class, no? Diba? I-isolate natin ang triangle na yan. Okay, isolate natin. So, ang triangle na yan, buka tayo ng triangle. Alright. So, that is a right triangle. This one class is 5. Diba? 5 yan. Then, ito small. Ito big. So, using Pythagorean theorem, gagamitan natin ng Pythagorean theorem. Using Pythagorean theorem, our RB square, diba? That is equals to RS square plus 5 square. Right? And then, we are looking class for, our plan is to look for the value of RB square minus R square. Paano tayo makahanap ng RB square minus R square? So, of course, no, using Pythagorean theorem, ito na siya. No? To obtain RB square minus RS square, so i-transpose natin ito. This will become RB square minus RS square equals 5 square, that is equals 25. So, meaning class, ang RB square minus RS square is equals to 25. So, the area difference between the bigger circle and the smaller circle is equals to pi. No? What is RB square minus RS square is equals to 25. So 25, and then area difference is 25 pi. In follow. Right? So, yan, no? Thank you for watching.